The whitelist feature is essential for ensuring that trusted sources can access your website without interference, even while your security settings are in place. The first option we'll cover is how to whitelist one IP address or a range of IP addresses. This is particularly useful if you're working with third-party APIs or applications that need uninterrupted access to certain paths on your site. For example, you can whitelist a single IP like 1.0.10.1.100 or a range of IP addresses using a wildcard like 10.10, 1.*, which will cover all IPs from 1 to 254. Another option is using a CIDR range like 0.24 to specify the range. Next, you can whitelist specific paths from your website. This is useful if certain plugins or custom paths aren't working properly due to security restrictions. For instance, if your WooCommerce checkout process is failing, you can add paths like cart, shop, or checkout to the whitelist to ensure they function correctly. Once you've added your IP addresses or paths, you'll need to select a whitelist option. WP Ghost gives you three choices. Allow hidden paths. This option allows whitelisted IPs to access hidden paths like WP Admin, WP Login, or Admin Ajax without being blocked by security measures. Show default paths. With this option, WP Ghost will not change the paths for whitelisted IPs, and brute force protection will be disabled for them. Allow everything. This setting disables all WP Ghost security features for the specified IPs, allowing unrestricted access. After selecting the desired option, make sure to save your settings. Now, your whitelisted IP addresses or paths will bypass security restrictions according to the chosen settings, allowing seamless access without compromising the overall protection of your site. For more tips and tutorials, visit our website or subscribe to our channel for regular updates on WP Ghost.